In today's fast-paced world, the constant flood of tasks, thoughts, and responsibilities can quickly lead to stress and mental overload. When your mind is juggling 100 things at once, it's almost impossible to focus or make clear, confident decisions. And this is where the concept of a brain dump comes in, a simple yet powerful technique to declutter your mind and make room for productivity, focus, and peace of mind. But what exactly is a brain dump? And how can it help you take control of your mental space? So, let's dive in. Rising to Be, with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/rising to be, or become a channel member for exclusive videos and more. Visit risingtobe.com for all your planner and stationery needs. Only at risingtobe.com, helping you plan for what's to come. What is a brain dump? A brain dump is a mental decluttering exercise that involves transferring all the thoughts, worries, ideas, and to-do lists swirling around in your head onto paper or even a digital platform. By easily externalizing your thoughts, you create mental space, gain clarity, and free your mind to focus on what truly matters. Think of your mind like a computer. Too many open tabs and background processes slow everything down. A brain dump works like clearing out those tabs, offloading unnecessary information, and giving your brain room to run smoothly. Whether you're a student or a professional, or just someone seeking greater mental clarity, a brain dump is a simple yet effective way to reclaim control over your thoughts and, of course, your day. Here are the benefits of brain dumps. Performing a brain dump offers far more than just tidying up your thoughts. Making it a regular habit can transform the way you think, work, and even rest. Here's why you might want to start brain dumping today. It can reduce your anxiety. Externalizing, getting out your concerns gives you perspective. You can objectively see what truly needs your attention, reducing feelings of overwhelm and even anxiety. Stress relief, getting all those swirling thoughts out of your head and onto paper lightens the mental load, giving your brain a break and significantly reducing your stress. Improve focus. With the clutter cleared, your mind can focus on one task at a time, boosting your productivity. Focus mode can complement this by keeping you on track. Enhance creativity. A decluttered mind is a creative mind. Free mental space helps you make connections, generate new ideas, and solve problems more efficiently. Better sleep. Brain dumping before bed allows you to transfer worries and to-do lists onto paper, helping you sleep more peacefully without your mind racing through unfinished tasks. So here's how to do a brain dump effectively. Getting started with a brain dump is simple and surprisingly freeing. The idea is to release every thought, worry, task, or idea crowding your mind so you can gain clarity and focus. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Set aside some time. Start by carving out dedicated time for your brain dump. Find a quiet spot where you won't be interrupted, even if it's just about 10 to 20 minutes. You can do it daily, weekly, or whenever your mind feels a bit overloaded. Treat this like a true mental reset. By intentionally setting aside a few focused minutes, you signal to your brain that it's okay to release lingering thoughts, worries, and even ideas. Over time, this creates a habit of mental clarity, helping you to prioritize what truly matters to you. Think of this time as an investment into your mental well-being. The more consistently you practice it, the easier it becomes to recognize when your mind is getting cluttered and intervene before stress or even overwhelm can take over. This small habit can dramatically improve focus, decision-making, and overall productivity in your daily life. Tip 2. Organize and sort. Once you've offloaded all of your thoughts, the next step is to bring some order to the chaos. Go through your list and sort tasks by priority. What needs immediate attention versus what can wait. Assign due dates, group similar items together, or even break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This process transforms your brain dump from a scattered collection of thoughts into a clear, actionable plan. By organizing your ideas, you can see the big picture, focus on what truly matters, and make concrete progress without feeling overwhelmed. Tip 3. Gather your tools. Choose the medium that feels most natural to you. You can use a traditional pen and paper, a journal, or even digital tools like note-taking apps, Word documents, or even productivity platforms. The key is to pick something that allows you to capture your thoughts quickly and without any friction. Having your preferred tools ready before you start ensures that the process flows smoothly, letting your mind focus on releasing thoughts rather than figuring out where to write them down. Over time, this setup becomes a seamless part of your brain dumping routine. Additionally, consider keeping your tools accessible at all times. When your brain is truly cluttered, you don't want to waste any mental energy hunting down for a pen or even opening the right app. A ready-to-go setup removes any barriers, making it easier to dump thoughts whenever they arise, and reinforces the habit of consistent mental decluttering. Tip 4. Write down everything. Take your chosen medium and let your thoughts pour out. Include tasks, worries, upcoming events, random ideas, or even goals. Anything that's occupying mental space. The goal is to transfer everything from your mind onto paper or even a digital platform. Don't worry about grammar, order, or even completeness. Just write freely. Once you've written everything down, take a moment to notice the mental relief. Seeing all of your thoughts out in front of you can help reduce stress and create a sense of control. You may even start to see a few patterns, recurring worries, or priorities that need immediate attention, which can inform you how you can organize your tasks and plan your next steps. So, after you've completed your brain dump, consider categorizing or even grouping similar items together. For example, separate tasks from worries, ideas from errands, or even short-term goals from long-term goals. This step isn't about perfection at all. It's about creating a clear picture of what's on your mind and making it easier to prioritize, plan, and take action. Using brain dumps for specific needs. You can use it for goal setting. Use brain dumps to lay out all of your ambitions, desires, and even objectives. Once everything is externalized, you can easily prioritize, structure, and create a concrete plan to achieve your goals, ensuring your efforts are aligned with your vision. Mental clarity. Sometimes we feel uneasy or even stuck without knowing exactly why. Brain dumping helps surface the underlying concerns, making it easier to process emotions, identify obstacles, and approach problems with a clearer perspective. Productivity boost. Clear your mind before starting a work session to maximize focus. Once your brain is decluttered, it's easy to prioritize tasks and dive into your work without distractions, turning mental chaos into actionable steps. Stress management. Brain dumping is a powerful tool for relieving your stress. Whenever you feel anxious or even overwhelmed by your responsibilities, jotting everything down can lighten the mental load. Seeing your thoughts outside of your head provides immediate relief and helps you regain a sense of control. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now, let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on our list. Tip 1, set aside time. Tip 2, organize and sort. Tip 3, gather your tools. Tip 4, write everything down. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Maya Angelou. So here are my final thoughts. Brain dumps are a simple yet incredibly powerful way to boost productivity, reduce stress, and enhance your mental well-being. By regularly externalizing your thoughts, worries, and even ideas, you free up mental space, allowing you to focus on the tasks that truly matter. This simple habit can create big improvements in both your personal and professional life. If you haven't tried brain dumping yet, now is the perfect time to start. Set aside a quiet moment, gather your tools, and let your thoughts flow onto the paper or even a digital platform. You may be a bit surprised at how much clarity, peace of mind, and renewed focus you can gain from this straightforward practice. Make it a habit and watch your productivity and your sense of calm truly soar. I just want to take a quick moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/risingtobee or become a channel member today. Thanks again for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or in your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode.